everyone, I'm Peggy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Ready or not for today's fashion tutorial? This revealing trend is about to freak out to the fashion world. Okay, seriously, whether you are ready or not, this micro trend is swiftly marking its territory as one of the hottest styles to try this season. I don't have an exact name for this trend or style, but I'm starting to see it everywhere. The wraparound string details are an easy way to spice up a basic skirt or top and give it a little edge. This is such a great trend for a summer because you can show a little skin without feeling too exposed. So let's get started. hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy with how this piece turned out, and I'm so excited to now have this top as part of my wardrobe. I hope this video will inspire you to make some dream items for your wardrobe too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a lovely day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!